I dreamt of Srila Prabhupada. And that was it. Just the sight of Srila Prabhupada. I saw him in a very amazing way. I saw him sitting on a throne, and there was a brilliant light coming out of his body. And just that sight made me realize that finally I found my spiritual master. Also, I was very fortunate, like when I met Srila Prabhupada, he allowed me to stay with him. He gave me a service which actually needed me to enabled me to be close to him. At our first meeting, Srila Prabhupada gave me the service of translating his books into Bengali. At that time, Srila Prabhupada had about 10,000 followers. To even get close to Srila Prabhupada was difficult, what to speak of being with him. And although I came to his lotus feet quite late, but I had the good fortune of being with him all the time, practically. And eventually Srila Prabhupada made me his secretary for Indian affairs. And this way I had the good fortune of serving him till he left this planet.